Hello everyone, Noora is back with another exciting video. I know I have been back after quite a long time because I have been on occasions. So this time I'm bringing you a very interesting video. Why? Because it's none other than Uncle Tetsu. Okay, so let me tell you honestly that I did not used to like cheesecakes at all unless I was introduced to this original flavor of Uncle Tetsu. So today I'm gonna show you guys how do they make this fluffy, softest Japanese cheesecake in the world. So let me show you from their kitchen live. So you can see how do they make the cheesecakes. They are one of the most softest and the yummiest cheesecakes I have ever tasted in my life, and I honestly still do not eat any other cheesecake other than this Uncle Tetsu. I have tried their chocolate cheesecake as well, but I honestly only like the original flavor of cheesecake from Uncle Tetsu. So if you get a chance to try this, do try this, and let's see how do they process the entire cake. So this is from live from their branch at the Dhahran mall. So when you often go there, and sometimes you have to wait for your turn because it's one of the hot selling product at their branch. And sometimes when you go there by 10 p.m. all the cheesecakes are finished, so you have to wait. On weekends, sometimes even when you go at 9:30, the cheesecakes are finished. So make sure you be there on time. So here comes the end of the video. If you like my video, please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Noora is signing off.